elephant bathing pool, and check it out, the entire herd of elephants is here today. If anyone has their camera, if you'd like to take some photos, go ahead, okay? They're all wearing their trunks. Right in front of us on the waterfall is Bertha. She's been up in that waterfall all morning. You know, all those wrinkles. I think it's time for her to go see a pachydermatologist. Just around the corner though, we're going to see one more elephant. This one over here is going to be spraying the boat with water, okay? Get ready. There's a little warning shot for you, but once he goes under, he's going to reload, then come back up and spray everybody. Alright, so get ready. There you go. Oh, I'm just joking. Okay, well that didn't look very good. Let's go see what this is. I don't like the sound of this. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't believe that. Yeah, great news though. That truck over there wouldn't start today, but you know, it looks like they got it to turn over. You know, I guess that wasn't so bad. Well, let's get out of here. We're going to head around the bend here. Look over in front of us. You're going to see the beautiful Schweitzer Falls right there. Yeah, that was named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Fall. But, you know, we'll go over that a little later. For now, we're just going to make a right. We're going to head down the Nile River. All right, this is the longest river in the entire world. Stretches for over 4,000 miles. I have a very shortcut. Right over here on your left, though, you're going to see an African bull elephant right over there. That is the second most feared animal in this entire jungle. Yeah. If you want to know what the most feared is, it's right across the way. That's his mother-in-law. Let's get over here. The African bell. Yeah, look at all these animals up ahead. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff up here. We got the zebras there, the stripes. Way in the back, there's a giraffe. On the right here we have oh, look at these lions right here. Yeah, looks like they're having their favorite zebra on the rocks. Oh, and look over here to your right. Well, there's that lost safari crew. Yeah, it looks like they're demonstrating why you should never get into an argument with a rhino. Because, you know, rhinos always get their point across. And I wouldn't want to be the low man on that totem pole. Uh-oh. Well, looks like we just entered a pool of hippos. Very dangerous. I should probably warn you, in the last 6 months, hippos, they've actually sunk 4 of our boats. And only 3 belong to me, okay? So nothing to worry about. Looks like they do have us surrounded, though. Yeah, this isn't good. Yeah, they may try and charge us. But just in case, I want to fire my gun real quick. That should probably startle and scare off all these hippos. Might want to cover your ears back there, okay? Yeah, looks like they're scared stiff. Alright, let's get out of here. Looks like we're entering Headhunter country now. It's not really the best place to be headed. Yeah, you can ask my first tour group about that. Yeah, look at these guys on your right, though. Looks like they're doing their I lost the keys to the bathroom dance. Wow. Yeah, that's why they're called headhunters. Yeah, look at your left over here. Check this out. Yeah, that's their interpretation of Shakespeare. Yeah, to throw or not to throw? That's the question. Up ahead, though, we've got something really neat. Alright, you're going to love this. Alright, just love it. The amazing 8th wonder of the world, right over here, the backside of water. Wow. That's pretty exciting. Yeah, you don't see that every day. Yeah, but you kids, though, don't try that at home, okay? You can hit your head at the faucet. It's going to be a bad time. Trust me. But we're at the Amazon River. We have a lot of neat animals here. Apparently, this is like a really great fishing spot. The other people that work. Oh, never mind. All right, well, we got some piranhas attacking us. All right, I think we gotta get out of here. Now, all you ladies on board, you will be safe. All right, they're man-eating piranhas. All right, and hey, watch out for this big snake too. All right, you might get a crush on you back here. Yeah, wouldn't want you to get wrapped up in something like that. Okay. Yeah, but over here we got Trader Sam, the head salesman of the jungle. Right now he's got a sale going on if you're interested. It's a pretty good deal. And he's offering 2 of his heads for only 1 of yours. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you slice it because you're going to come out ahead on that one. Yeah, but that'll do it. Hours and hours of entertainment jammed into 8 minutes. On the dock, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. I'll let you know when it's safe to stand up and exit. But I do hope you enjoyed yourselves today. If you do a huge favor, tell your friends and family how much fun the Jungle Cruise was, okay?